The ZANU-PF spokesperson Christopher Mutsvangwa has sparked fresh political intrigue within the ruling party after issuing a veiled but pointed warning against attempts to impose certain individuals as national heroes or political successors, a statement many view as a direct swipe at President Emmerson Mnangagwa and his controversial ally businessman kuda kwachitagwire. Zambira mashoko amuda panapa tiona Mutsvangwa achibuda achipa warning achiti ZANU-PF will not accept fostered heroes not was subscribe like on the bell like TV mnamuda conventions addressing party members this week. Mutsvangwa declared in quotes, ZANU-PF will not accept fostered heroes. Do not foist your heroes on us. We know our heroes, and Kudatagure is not one of them. Don't pick people from the streets and try to foist them on us. We will resist that. The statement, while not mentioning Mnangagwa by name, has been widely interpreted as a rebuke of the presidency's perceived efforts to elevate Tagure into the ZANU-PF's top echelons and potentially groom him for future leadership. Tagure, a businessman with close ties to Mnangagwa, has been at the center of controversy over his business dealings and rising political influence. Recent moves to nominate Tagure for a seat in ZANU-PF Central Committee reportedly faces stiff resistance from within, particularly from Vice President Nkosazana Chiwenga's faction. Sources within the party say the proposal was scuttled after objections were raised by key figures aligned with Chiwenga, who is widely expected to succeed Mnangagwa when his term ends in 2028. Mutsvangwa's remarks come amid growing tensions within ZANU-PF over the party's succession politics. The battle lines appear to be drawn between Mnangagwa loyalists pushing for the inclusion of business allies like Tagure and those rallying behind Chiwenga's military-backed candidacy. Political analysts say Mutsvangwa's comments reflect a brewing internal rebellion against what some view as attempts to transform ZANU-PF into a personal fiefdom driven by business interests rather than liberation credentials. Tagure has remained silent on the matter. His increasing proximity to the highest levels of government, coupled with the widespread allegations of corruption and cronyism, has drawn criticism from both within the ruling party and from opposition circles. The public rebuke by Mutsvangwa is likely to further inflame factional division and intensify scrutiny over Mnangagwa's succession plans. With the 2028 leadership race already casting a long shadow, the battle for ZANU-PF so appears far from over. Tomashwa kubuda panguva ino chonekwa kunzi aiwa muzanu panguva ino hazvina kumira zvakanaka. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. NACHAMISA medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.